The sky is the limit. Chennai witnesses historic Indian Air Force air shows at Marina Beach. The skies over Chennai were ablaze with air pride and power on Sunday, October 6, as the Indian Air Force IAF hosted a majestic air show at Marina Beach in order to commemorate its upcoming Air Force Day, which is celebrated on 8th October every year. The Indian Air Force held Grand Air Show over the iconic Marina Beach, showcasing the IAF's unwavering dedication to safeguarding India's airspace. The air show captivated the nation with 72 aircrafts, including the powerful Rafale, indigenously built Tejas, Prachand helicopter and the legendary Dakota, demonstrating India's growing aerial might. From 11 a.m., more than 1.3 million people converged at the Marina Beach, arriving by train, metro, cars and buses, united their desire to witness the spectacle, with the event setting a new record for the largest gathering ever at an air show. It was honored by Limca Book of World Record, an achievement that underscores the deep sense of national pride and the public's faith in Indian Air Force. Among the distinguished attendees were Chief of Air Staff Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, Deputy CM Udayanithi Stalin and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who paid homage to the extraordinary valor and skill of the IAF as part of 92nd anniversary celebrations of the AIF, which was instituted on October 8, 1932. This event showcased not just the IF's technical prowess but also a deep-rooted commitment to the defense of our skies. The Air Vice Marshal K. Prem Kumar, Chief Coordinating Officer of the event, highlighted in the meticulous planning that went into hosting the grand show, particularly in securing the record-breaking attendance. Mindful of security and safety, the IAF had asked the people not to bring food to reduce the risk of bird strike during the event. The Greater Chennai Police, deploying over 6,500 officers and 1,500 home guards, ensure a smooth and secure environment for the public. The air show, themed Bharatiya Vayu Sena, Saksham, Sashakt, Atmanirbhar, embodied the spirit of self-reliance and India's rising stature as the global force. The display featured a wide range of aircraft, from fourth-line fighters like Sukhoi Su-30 MKI Tejas and the mighty MiG-29 to heritage aircraft like the Dakota and Havard, reflecting both strength of India's defense capabilities and the indigenization of the aviation sector. As fighter jets roared overhead, the formation painted the sky. Spectator felt the rush of patriotism, witnessing firsthand the bravery and the dedication of our air warriors. The show was not just a display of aircraft, it was a reminder of the IFA's vital role in protecting our sovereignty and a call to honor the sacrifice of those who defend our skies. The Indian Air Force, in celebrating its 92nd year, demonstrate once again that it remains a symbol of India's resilience, technological progress and unwavering commitment to national security. That's all for now. Stay tuned to TSW News for more updates. Thank you for watching.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News, news that reveal the truth, and visit our website www.topstoriesworld.com.